Hi everyone, my name is Dewa Darmaja. I'm come from Bali, Indonesia. So I'm so very happy and glad to share about my experience using hair system. My hair system is come from Newlacecu hair system. I just ordered a few weeks ago and I make it style like the Korean style because I love the long hair like this. Yeah, on my Instagram and my Facebook, a lot of people doesn't believe me if I use the hair system because look natural, right? Yeah, I wanna show. I chose this base, and the base of this hair system very blend with my own scalp. That's why it's look natural. I chose 1B for the hair color and heavy one because I like big hair like this. And I wanna say thank you very much for Newlacecu for the great job because you make many people in the round the world very happy and confident with themselves. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.